So students, here is some working with language part from chapter 4. So we will revise the particular thing. So first of all, we have to read the particular conversation. So Ravi, what are you doing? Mridu, I am reading a book. Ravi, who wrote it? Mridu, Ruskin Bond. Ravi, where did you find it? In the library. No. Now, with the help of this conversation, you can easily notice that what, who, where are question words. Here, with the help of these words, Ravi is asking something. With the help of this word, who, Ravi is asking something. And with the help of this word, where, Ravi is asking something to Mridu, and Mridu answered in all the sentences. Here you can see, what are you doing? I am reading a book. So here is a question, here and here there is a answer. Now, so same like what, who, where, there are some other uh, question words like when, why, where, which, and how. So first of all, we have to understand their Hindi meaning. It will definitely help you. So what means kya, who means कौन, where means कहाँ, when is also used for कहाँ, why क्यों, where कहाँ, which कौन सा, how कैसे. Okay, so you can easily notice that there is a same word, there is same kind of word which used for same question. Like now you have to understand their rules. What asks, what is what, the particular word what, it asks about actions, things, etc. And who the word asks about people, like who's your father. So we are asking about, I am like for example, if I ask you who is your father, it means I am asking about some people. Okay, means your father is a kind of people. Which ask about people or things, means which, the particular word which ask about people or things both, means which is your favorite food. So I am asking about a thing. Food is a thing. So which is your favorite thing? Favorite food. Where? So particular word where ask about place. So with the help of this word where, we ask about uh, place. So where is your house? Where is your home? Okay. So when ask about time. When will you go to school? Okay. Now, the question which is very important nowadays, when will you go to school? Okay, so I am asking about time, when will you go to school. Why ask about reason or purpose. So particular word why always ask about reason or purpose. So why we are doing studies right now? For your future growth. Okay, that is the answer. So why is asking, why ask about reason or purpose. How ask about means, manner, or degree. Okay, so how actually show uh, the particular word in which manner you perform this action. Like how will you get success? How will you get success? In which manner uh, you will get success? So the how shows the manner or degree. Who's ask about possessions, means whose it's a possessive word. The particular thing belongs to whom. So when we use whose, means whose pen is this? This is mine. Whose pen is this? Means I am asking about uh, possessions. So a particular thing, belongings, to whom it belongs. So after getting these rules, we can easily solve this exercise. When did you get this book? Means here when is used for time. Why is your sister crying? Here is a reason. Whose room is this? we are asking about possession. Okay, yours or hers. How do you go to school? Here is a here with the help of this manner, with the help of this word, we are asking about a manner, how you go to school. Now here, my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know what to do and where to look for it. There are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide which one to buy. Here, which is asking about a thing, toys. You don't know the way to my school? Ask the policeman how to get there. Again, about the manner, how to go there, get there. It means it is meant here means how to go there. You should decide soon when to start building. So here it is used for time. What will be the time when you start your building your house? Okay, so do you know how to ride a bicycle? It is again about manner. I don't remember when and where I learned it. You should know when to talk and when to keep your mouth shut. Very important. This is a very important sentence for your life also, because always your teacher advice for this. You should know when to talk and when to keep your mouth shut. Okay, it is about time. So students, revise them and do practice over it. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.